Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Miss Lockett, the founder and CEO of Teacher Fashion on Lockett, and tonight you guys are in for a special treat. But before I let you guys know what this video is about, I need you to do your girl a favor. I need you guys to click that subscribe button and also click that notification bell for more amazing videos. Alright, now that I got that out the way, let's get on to what this video is about. Alright guys, so for tonight's video, I'm just gonna jump right on in it. Y'all, we have 7 more days of VLOGtober to go, and I'm super excited! Yay! Because I've been hanging in there, and guys, it is so hard to film videos every single night, especially when you're a full-time teacher. So yeah, I'm sorry guys that the video's been coming a little late, but guess what? Miss Lockett is not going to miss a VLOGtober video. Alright, so for tonight's video, I'm going to share with you guys the different meaning of the Halloween buckets. Yes, you heard me correctly. The different meaning of the Halloween colored buckets. Okay, I'm not gonna let this video be long. I'm gonna just go ahead and jump in it. I know many of you guys may not know that the different color Halloween buckets actually mean something, okay? So this video tonight, I'm want to tell you this to inform you, just in case you want to get your child this specific bucket or a specific bucket, or if you are going to be home and trick-or-treaters are going to be coming at your door to give you some information about what the different buckets may mean. So I'm going to talk about 2 different buckets actually tonight, and then I'm going to talk about just the regular bucket. So let's start with the blue bucket. So if you have a trick-or-treater that comes to your house and they have a blue bucket, what the blue Halloween colored bucket means is that that's a child that may have autism. So this particular child, they may not have no verbiage. They may not say thank you. They may not even say trick-or-treating. So I'm just letting you guys know this information. So if you do get someone that has autism, to know, to be aware, and to show that child grace. So they may be nonverbal. They may not say thank you. They may not say trick-or-treating. And also they may also grab more than what they supposed to grab. So don't get upset, don't get mad, don't get frustrated with them. Make sure you show the kids grace, the trick-or-treaters that's going to be coming to your door grace, and look out for those different color buckets. Also be aware of loud sounds, and also maybe like flashy lights with a child that may have autism. So again, a child with autism, they may knock on your door and they may have a blue bucket. Be on the lookout. All right, the next color bucket that I'm going to talk about is a teal bucket. Yes, a teal bucket. If you see a child that has a teal bucket, that means a child might have some type of allergy. As you guys know, many kids have like peanut allergies. So this is another tip to probably stay away from like chocolate candy, or like well, not chocolate candy, maybe like peanut butter candy, like Reese Cups. What else have peanuts in it? Or maybe like the peanut M&Ms. Like maybe like shy away from those types of candy and get other candy for trick-or-treating. Because different kids have different allergies. But let's get back to this color basket. If you see a child with a teal, not basket, bucket, y'all. If you see a child with a teal bucket, Halloween bucket, that means that they have a peanut allergy, okay? Or they might have some type of allergy, any type of allergy. So some things that you can do for a child that has allergies that may not be able to get any other candy that you have, you can get something like toys or fidgets or stickers, something like that, to be a substitute of candy to that child that may have a candy allergy. All right, so again, if you see a child with a blue bucket, that means that they have autism. They could possibly have autism. Or if you see a child with a teal bucket, that means that they have some type of food allergy. So be on the lookout and be aware. All right, so last but not least, you have your regular orange trick-or-treating bucket. And that's just the regular old bucket for any kid. For any kid. For trick-or-treating. Y'all, the kids are so excited. I teach kindergarten, and I'm letting you guys know now, if you're gonna be at your house passing out candy, the kids are ready. They have been talking about Halloween since October 1st. Probably in September they was talking about Halloween. So yes, they're going to be ready. Have your candy, have your toys, have your gadget, have your smile. And I want to stress this, y'all. Bring your grace. Show grace to these kids, because we've been in a pandemic. And this is the one thing I can tell you. These kids are going to be looking forward to getting out in their community, seeing their neighbors, seeing their friends, and gathering candy from you guys. So yeah, show the kids grace. Again, the blue bucket may mean autism. You might see a kid with a blue bucket. If you see a teal bucket, that means that child might have a food allergy. So have a substitute for those kids so they can still be happy. Because like I said, y'all, they are so ready for Halloween. They don't care. They just want to come around to you guys' house and collect some candy or some toys. So if it's a child that has a food allergy, have some type of substitute so that child can be able to feel included. Yes, to feel included. Yeah, that's one of my kids' words. That's one of our charter words for our classroom. So have some type of substitute. It can be stickers. It can be glow lights. It can be, they have those little vampire teeth at Walmart for 98 cents. Like, it can be anything. They have those little rings. It can be anything. Have a variety of different things for the kids, because each child is different. And you want every child want to feel included. They want to feel included. They want to feel special. They want to come around and say trick or treat and participate. So make sure you have something for all kids. All kids. Because they are ready to knock on y'all doors. All right, y'all. So yes, this video is not going to be long. I don't know if you guys knew this information. Please comment below if you did or if you didn't. If you didn't, I'm happy to be able to make this video for you guys to make you guys aware of the different children or trick-or-treaters that you might have in your community. Also, any parents that may have kids with food allergies or may be autism or nonverbal, it'll be a good thing to get them those color baskets so that the givers will know. I hope I taught you guys something. Hope you guys learned something. Again, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, that's our video tonight. Be looking out for Halloween safety video that's coming this week if you're taking your children trick-or-treating or whatever the case may be. All right, guys, this is day number 25, and I'm super duper excited, and Miss Lockett is going to see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.
Be sure to hit the subscribe button and also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Teacher Fashion on Lock_ETT.